Right now, you're in a squat there, which is a fine pose, but not a seated forward bend.
Let's create a yoga AI voice instructor in Python. After you watch this video, you'll be able to build a real-time voice and video AI yoga instructor in Python using Vision Agents. Vision Agents is an open-source AI framework for building voice and video applications. So the agent we want to build will use video processing via a live video call to analyze users' poses and provide feedback through speech conversation. So let's look at an overview of what we want to build. The digital yoga instructor agentic system combines voice, video processing technologies, an LLM trained to excel specifically in audio generation, transcription, step-by-step instruction following, and users pose detection, helping people in both beginner and advanced yoga workouts. So to build a workout agent in Python, we need some underlying technologies. When we run the Python script for the yoga AI instructor, it takes the user's voice input from the transport mechanism in Vision Agents. The Gemini Live API processes the raw input audio for speech-to-speech and transcription interactions. Since the API is real-time, a single Gemini model is required for speech-to-text, turn detection, and text-to-speech. When practicing yoga, your device's camera will capture your video feed and send it to Ultralytics YOLO for processing the video frames. To get started with the Yoga AI instructor in Python, you should ensure you have Python 3.13 installed or a later version on your machine, and initialize a new project using your V. Then you should add a .env file to the project's root to store the following API credentials. You can also use the export command to store the above credentials in your system shell profile. Next, install the core Vision Agents SDK and the required project plugins for the Yoga AI agent with the following commands. We now have the audio and video edge transport, real-time voice LLM, and pose detection plugins installed. In the project's root, let's add a markdown file to contain detailed instruction for the agent. So over here, I have added this markdown file, yogainstructorguide.md. It contains a detailed instructions for the agent. So when we set up the agent in code, we can reference this markdown file using this code snippet. So we need to specify the instructions parameter in the agent's definition and read the markdown file. Once you generate a Python project using UV, it will come with a main.py file. So you should open your main.py and replace the content with the following. After you install Vision Agents and the required plugins, you need to add all the following imports. We import GetStream for the edge transport. Then we have Ultralytics for the pose detection and Gemini to provide the real-time audio and video communication. Next, you should define an async function and create a new AI agent using Vision Agents agent class with all the following parameters. We add the edge transport we want to use. So over here, we have GetStream to provide low latency video transport. We add the instructions parameter and read from the markdown file we added previously. Next, in the agent's definition, we specify the Gemini Live API for speech-to-speech communication. You can also use OpenAI Real-Time. When you define an agent in Vision Agents, you can also add an optional processor. Processors are useful when you want to build an AI application that will require you to process video frames in real time. So in this example, we add the processors parameter and specify Ultralytics YOLO for workout pose detection. To be able to interact with the voice agent in real time, we need to create a new video call using Stream Video. And once we run the Python script, we open a web UI to interact with the voice agent in real time. So this is everything we need to do to build our Yoga Voice AI agent in Python using Vision Agents, Ultralytics for workout pose detection, and Gemini for real-time speech-to-speech communication. I will bring the terminal with Control and backtick and run the Python script.
I'm ready to begin whenever you are. Let's find that breath and ground ourselves to start.
Guide me through a beginner level seated forward bend.
Right now, you're in a squat there, which is a fine pose, but not a seated forward bend. To get to the seated forward bend, stretch your legs out in front of you and sit nice and tall. Then you can hinge forward from your hips. Let me know when you're in that position. Aye, I can see ye. You're sitting in a comfortable seated position now, which is great for starting. Now, to move into the seated forward bend,